Hey there, I'm Chad Borba, Southwest Business Development Manager for MasterCraft Boat Company. Today I'm going to walk you through the 2022 MasterCraft NXT20. The NXT20 has everything you need for endless fun, functional storage, tons of comfort, a solid ride, an intuitive user interface, and the best in-class wakes and waves. And for 2022, the NXT20 offers even more thanks to a number of updates and new features, including SurfStar, a redesigned Z6 tower with clamping racks, and tons of new gel coat, flake, and upholstery options. Before we get into the details, let's cover some of the NXT20's general specs. The NXT20 is 20 feet long. It's got a 96-inch beam. It weighs 3,970 pounds. It's got a fuel capacity of 47 gallons, seating capacity for 11, ballast capacity of 1,770 pounds. With our SurfStar Pro Kit, it takes it to over 2,400 pounds. Before we explore the interior, let's head to the transom and talk about the NXT20's wave and wake performance. The NXT20 features SurfStar. This is the most versatile surf solution available on the market today, as it can create a wave shape for every surfer. Preset factory profiles, surf left and surf right, make setup a breeze. Activate your desired profile and the ballast begins filling. Speed is set thanks to standard GPS cruise control, and your surf devices move to the optimal location. If you'd like to customize your wave, the system easily adjusts at the touch of a button. The hardware or actuators that drive the surf device are stronger and more precise than ever before due to the integrated position sensing technology. For more details on SurfStar, be sure to check out the dedicated video that explores this revolutionary new surf system. The NXT20's preloaded wakeboard profiles, Wake Beginner and Wake, provide two very different wakeboard experiences. This boat performs great at slower speeds for those riders just getting comfortable, and also has an excellent wake for intermediate and advanced riders. So obviously this boat has your riders covered. Now let's climb inside and see what the NXT20 interior has for you and your crew. Starting in the bow, the NXT20 has a large pickle fork design that makes the 20-footer feel very open and spacious up front. The floor space in the bow can remain open, or it can be configured as a lounge with a bow filler cushion. The bow also has lots of functional storage as well as dedicated anchor storage on center line. And the compartment on the port side communicates through to the cockpit to allow storage for larger items. Due to its 96-inch beam, the NXT20 has a nice U-shaped seating area with tons of under-seat storage. Additionally, the convertible rear-facing seat is perfect for those who like to keep their eyes on the action behind the boat. The starboard side provides some additional storage and a dedicated cooler location. Other great cockpit features include premium flooring options and an easy-to-access battery switch location. Cool Fill vinyl is also available on the NXT20. It's a unique product that stays up to 30% cooler than traditional marine vinyl. And new for 2022 model year, the NXT20 comes standard with 4 phone holders in the cockpit area. These phone holders were intentionally placed under the gunnel to keep the phone safe and out of the sunlight on those long summer days. Even better, all phone holders can be upgraded with wireless phone chargers. The NXT20 now comes standard with our brand new Z6 tower. The Z6 tower represents the perfect blend of form and function. It can easily be lowered with a single person, and you can say goodbye to bungees. Essential clamping racks are now standard on all NXTs. These racks come in 2 colors, silver and black, so you can easily customize your tower design. Lastly, the bimini mounts directly onto the tower and is easily collapsible. The audio system in this boat, like our other models, feature Klipsch speakers and amplifiers. Up to 4 speakers can be added to the tower to fine-tune your audio experience. The aft area, the NXT20 features a stepped-down transom with a bench that's perfect for hanging out in the cove or getting ready for your surf, wake, or ski set. On either side of the engine, there's also some additional storage present on the top of the SurfStar ballast bags. It's a very convenient spot to throw your life vest or tow ropes. Lastly, the removable ski pylon is a great feature if you'd like to tow some tubes or take some recreational ski sets. With your riders and crew taken care of, let's talk about the captain's experience in the NXT20. The NXT20 provides a sleek and sophisticated helm experience with its 4.3 LCD screen and analog gauges. As mentioned earlier, the factory presets make selecting and setting up your desired activity as simple as ever. Surf, wake, or ski, It's all right at your fingertips. Below the screen is a phone holder with its optional wireless charging to keep your phone fully powered for those long days on the water. No cords necessary. Captains will also appreciate the fact that Ilmor Marine is the exclusive engine provider for MasterCraft. Ilmor is the premier engine manufacturer for NASCAR, IndyCar, and Formula One racing. We collaborated with them to design a 6.0 liter MPI engine, the standard engine of the NXT20, with 380 horsepower. This engine has plenty of power for bringing the whole crew along. Additionally, we offer a 5.3 liter GDI engine. It's close cooled and delivers 365 horsepower. Paired with Ilmor power plants, the NXT20 provides an exhilarating driving experience that's sporty for the captain and comfortable for all passengers. The NXT20 is an incredible all-around performer that produces great wakes and waves. It's super fun to drive and offers MasterCraft quality and comfort and an unbeatable value. With the NXT20, you also receive the option of a custom trailer to match your boat, the best resale in the industry, and a MasterCare 5-year, 500-hour comprehensive warranty with minimal exclusions, as well as an unrivaled 7-year, 1,000-hour engine warranty. Thanks for checking out the NXT20 with us today. If you'd like to get behind an NXT20 or you'd simply like a little more information, please contact your local MasterCraft dealer or check us out at mastercraft.com.